makes it on the highway. He's trucking to ATB at morning light with a load of aluminum and steel. Gonna grab some toolboxes tonight, where the best storage boxes you can buy is American made at ATB, with aluminum, stainless, or carbon steel. It's an American dream to buy boxes from ATB. Truck boxes made in America, crafted with steel. Rough ends up for the hardworking pro. You can buy them at American Truckboxes. Truckbox.com in the USA. He's heading to the job site. Quality ATB boxes by his side. Tools and gear secure and safe. Got the best toolboxes in the USA, where the best storage boxes you can buy is American made at ATB, with aluminum, stainless, or carbon steel. It's an American dream to buy boxes from ATB. Truck boxes made in America, crafted with steel. Rough ends up for the hard-working pro. You can buy them at American Truckboxes. Truckbox.com in the USA. It's an American dream to buy boxes from ATB. Truck boxes made in America, crafted with steel. Rough ends up for the hard-working pro. You can buy them at American Truckboxes. Truckbox.com in the USA. Boxes for fleets and outfitters, best boxes you'll find today. Boxes for semi and pickup trucks, best boxes you'll find today. Boxes for flatbed and trailers, best boxes you'll find today. God bless American Truckboxes. God bless the USA.